I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, minor fall, and a major lift. The barefoot king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. I saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throat and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew a hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe I've been here before. I know this room, I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I see your flag on a marble arch. Love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show it to me, do you? I remember when I moved in you, the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, that all I ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. And it's not a cry you can hear at night. It's not somebody seen a light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.